2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. Brookside floor plan. Proximity to clubhouse and satellite pool makes location prime. Building is equipment with elevator. Being sold furnished. This exceptionally well taken care and maintained condo is move-in ready. Kitchen has updated cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and pantry. Main living area has open floor plan with heavy baseboards and crown molding. Recently painted. Neutral colors throughout. Master bedroom has new carpet and new furniture. Master bath has granite countertop vanity and recently retiled walk-in shower. Guest bedroom has new carpet. Guest bath has granite countertop vanity. Back lanai has an absolutely beautiful view of water, golf course and amp preserve. HVAC less than a year old. Heated storage room. Covered carport parking. Naples Heritage is highly sought after bundled golf community located just minutes from downtown Naples and beaches. Enjoy golf, resort pool, fitness center, tennis, pickleball, bocce, and walking the beautifully landscaped sidewalks throughout the neighborhood. Come live the Naples Heritage lifestyle.